Installing a system management sideband cable kit. Install the system management sideband cable kit into the opening on the tray rear bezel. Fasten the 3M3PH1 screws on the rear tray bezel. Place the sideband cable into the groove inside the ferrite core. Close the ferrite core and lock the clips in place. Connect the system management sideband cables to the processor boards. Route the sideband cables underneath the water pipe. Keep the cables slightly above the cold plate. Do not insert the cables into the gap between the cold plate and the tray wall. Connect the system management sideband cables to the processor boards. Secure the sideband cables with cable clips. If necessary, reinstall the front E3.S drive cages. Connect the drive cables to the corresponding drives. Install the cable retainer into the drive cage. Fasten the 2PH1 screws to secure the cable retainer to the drive cage. If the drive cage gap pads are damaged or missing, replace them. Make sure to follow the gap pad putty pad replacement guidelines. Note: when attaching the gap pad, align the gap pad with the markings on the water loop. The figures shown specify the gap pad required for different drive configurations. Install the E3.S drive cage assembly into the node. Fasten the 3 captive screws. Install the blank bezel filler into the slot installed with the drive cage. Repeat these steps to install the other front E3.S drive cage. Install the front and the rear cross braces, and then fasten the Phillips No. 1 screws to secure them. Install the tray cover.